Hi, welcome to Dinner with Alina. Last week has been a carnival week in Russia, and it's customary to make and eat pancakes, or blinis, as we call them. Here's our family recipe. Tasty, foolproof, good for both sweet and savory feelings. Let's start with the batter. A cup of flour, all-purpose flour works well. A bit of salt, baking soda, and sugar. 1 egg. And then my secret ingredient, half a cup of kefir, sour milk, and a cup of milk. Mix well. The batter should be pretty liquid, more or less the consistency of cooking cream. I see that mine is too thick, so I regulate it a bit by adding some kefir and milk. If needed, you can add a bit of flour as well. At the end, I'm adding 2-3 spoons of vegetable oil. In my case, it's sunflower. Heat the pan very well and add a bit of oil. I usually do a test run on a small amount of batter to see its behavior. And it seems fine, so we're good to go. The pancakes are pretty delicate, so I'm flipping them with great care when the upper side starts drying out a bit. Don't forget a very important step, to butter them when they're ready. Here's the last pancake. I can't wait to try them while they're still fresh and hot. I like them with raspberry or strawberry jam. You can have them with any sweet spread such as Nutella, honey, condensed sweetened milk, or simply with sour cream. We also like blinis with savory fillings such as salmon or meat. Maybe I'll show them to you one day. Enjoy! From Russia with Food, Alina.